fire burning from the hills of Africa to the island shore. I man stand firm forevermore. Long before the city lights glow, I was walking where the wild winds blow. Feet in the dust, heart in the drum, calling on Jah till the kingdom come. Gray in the beard but the spirit young. Every scar tell the song I sung. Through plantation tears and rebel cry, still I lift my head to the sky. They tried to scatter the chosen seed, chain the hands and starve the need. But roots go deep where rivers flow, stronger than the wicked know. Roots stand tall, never fall. Hear the ancient lion call. Through the fire, through it all, Jah love conquer every wall. Roots stand tall, proud and free, bound in truth eternally. From captivity to victory, Rastafari destiny. Whoa. Dreadlocks long touch the ground, every strand a sacred sound. History written in every twist, freedom live within my fist. 76 and the message clear, no more living in our fear. Babylon throne start to shake when the humble rise awake. Hear the drum beat steady and slow, feel the righteous river flow. Old soul chanting through the night, turning darkness into light. Oh, Jah guide I way, keep I strong through judgment day. Even when the road seem long, you make the weak man strong. Forever strong. Forever strong. Roots stand tall, never fall. Lion rise above them all. Through the storm we still stand tall. Rastafari break the wall. Roots stand tall, chant and sing, crown the humble as the king. Old time fire still we bring. Let freedom bells ring. Stand tall, stand tall. Dreadlocks fall but spirit call. Horror sound echo through the years. Jah wipe away the tears. Roots stand tall. Rastafari live, ancient fire burning from the hills of Africa to the island shore. I man stand firm forevermore. Long before the city lights glow, I was walking where the wild winds blow. Feet in the the dust, heart in the drum, calling on Jah till the kingdom come. Gray in the beard, but the spirit young. Every scar tell the song I sung. True plantation, tears and rebel cry. Still I lift my head to the sky. They tried to scatter the chosen.